Good morning. Welcome to this Friday from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. I gotta go grab the other mic. Booked it up here really quick in between shifts. Got a United Dreamliner flight 3772 inbound from Chicago. So we got a couple of Canadian Air Force fighter jets down here. And a couple of geese hanging out. Frontier Airbus inbound, I think it was flight 3636, I believe. Sorry we were bouncing around a little bit today. The remnants from Hurricane Helene are moving into the area. It should be starting to get some pretty heavy rain over the next couple of hours. Expecting maybe 50-mile-an-hour winds up here too, so right now it's clouding up. We just had a Navy E6 fly over. It's at 20,000 feet, which I can't see it with the clouds, but would have been a pretty cool catch. Southwest Airlines 1887 inbound from Chicago. Lots of news about Southwest this week. Cutting a lot of flights out of Atlanta. They're going to be cutting a flight from Hopkins out of Atlanta, unfortunately. A lot of changes going on over there with the hostile takeover attempt. I certainly hate to see all that. I've always enjoyed my time on Southwest. Was really close to taking a job offer with them a couple of years ago, their cadet program. Hate to see that happening. Got a, I think it's a Silver Air Gulfstream inbound from Boca Raton. United Airlines 2061, unusual flight for today. It's one of the few flights making it up here from Florida. This aircraft is inbound from Fort Lauderdale. 737 MAX 8. United Express Flight 6207, E175 out of Washington Dulles. I wish I was either there or at JFK this week with all the flights coming in for UN week. It's been a crazy week at work. I've been in the office every day. This is the first time I've actually been up here in about a week. just with everything going on. Glad it's almost the weekend. American Airlines 6201 inbound from Chicago. Get a couple of heavy jets in the field. The United Dreamliners here today. It's the Browns charter taking them to Oakland. Or sorry, taking them to Las Vegas. And the Houston Rockets charter 767 is here for the Astros this weekend. Hopefully we'll get that leaving on Sunday for you. Got a Learjet inbound here. This flight is inbound from Birmingham. I think if I put the registration in right, this aircraft is owned by PNC. One of the Parker Hannifin Challengers behind it. A couple of business jets coming in today. Should be the Challenger inbound. Got a United Express Embraer inbound from Newark. United 737. They're inbound from Orlando. Frontier inbound from Miami. Can definitely tell that the storm is getting closer and closer. The heavy rain's already moved into the Columbus area. Got an Elite Air Challenger inbound. Hopefully the Browns leave here pretty soon. Hopefully they leave early today so we can get home and avoid the weather when that starts to hit. Air Canada Jazz 731 CRJ 900 inbound from Toronto. Tell the wind is beginning to pick up. Thinking about everyone down in Florida, Georgia, and the Carolinas who are dealing with the impact from the storm. It sounds like, of course, a few people have lost their lives and some pretty unfortunate flooding and damage down there. I heard about some situations in North Carolina this morning. Up here, you can tell the wind is really beginning to pick up. We're expecting a pretty decent amount of rain, which certainly is something we desperately need. Frontier 1472 inbound from Phoenix. Get a Falcon inbound. Hope everyone's enjoying the week. If you're dealing with a storm, I hope you're staying safe. Thank everyone for being here. Hope you're enjoying your Friday. Hopefully we'll do a live stream here in the next couple of days. We'll see what the weather does. We'll definitely do some more spotting. We'll come up here Sunday for the Rockets charter. And then anything else we happen to get, we'll try to come up here and get for you this weekend. Pretty challenge, or pretty Falcon inbound. Couple aircraft inbound. I think it's United 1411 in the background out of Fort Myers. Meanwhile, in front of it is American 3039 A320 out of Philadelphia. Pretty busy airport today. Haven't had any go-arounds or anything yet. Luckily the wind is mostly in line with the runway, so there's a little bit of moving around, but not as bad as it could be now that we've gusted up to about 30. Just mostly me moving around now. Tree got in the way unfortunately, but it's 20:55 inbound from LAX. Still waiting on the United Dreamliner, trying to get some work done up here. Hopefully that thing leaves before it starts to rain here soon. Delta 1487 inbound from Atlanta. Sprinted up the hill really quick because the Dreamliner moved on me. Flight 3812 heading to Las Vegas. Starting to rain up here. Begun, so we're gonna get on out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below, comment down below, share with all of your friends, follow me on social media at Nick Flies Media. Hope you guys have a great rest of the day. We should be back up here again this weekend to do some more spotting, hoping to get the Houston Rockets charter on Sunday for you. So hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. We'll catch you next time from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. Have a great afternoon, everyone, and stay safe.